Bonjour everyone! I'm Diana Atayde from 11 Gasby. Welcome to my video. So, in this video, we will doing a product honest review. So, before we start, let me do some short disclaimer. So, disclaimer, I create this video for my performance task in physical science. So, let's do the honest product review. So, I have this product called Sebum Balancing Sunscreen from Mediheal skincare company from South Korea. So I personally use this product as my skin protector for every day. So in this video, I will explain to you the physical appearance, active ingredients, guidelines or precaution, and efficacy rate of this product. So first, let's do the physical examination of this product. So this product serves in triangular with a touch of rectangular shaped container. But the problem is, hindi ko ma-figure out yung kulay ng packaging ng product na to. So for me, it's yellow-orange. I tried to ask some people or some of my friends kung ano yung nakikita nilang kulay sa packaging ng product na to. But they also can figure it out. So, let's consider na lang na yellow-orange yung packaging nito. So, sa texture and amoy, kulay naman ng mismong product. So, let's take a look. So, maglalagay ako ng product in back of my hand and let's see kung anong kulay ba yung product. So, this is the color of the product. Sa personal, nakikita na medyo light pink siya. But if you spread it, magte-turn siya into a white color. So, the smell of this product is too good and mild. So, pwede siya sa mga tao na merong sensitive nose kagaya ko na masyadong maarte pagdating sa pang-amoy ng isang product. If we spread the product in our skin, you will see the difference. So, let's spread it out. You will see the difference of these two sides of my hand. So, this side, ito yung nilagyan ko ng sunscreen. Well, this side naman is yung hindi ko nilagyan. So, makikita nyo na sa side na to, sa nilagyan ko ng sunscreen, na nagkaroon siya ng whitening effect or pumuti siya, pumusyaw yung kulay niya. Then, well, dito naman sa side na to, parang natural ko lang na color. So, that's it for the physical examination of this product. So second, let's take a look what active ingredients that this product has. So, in the back of this packaging, it tells that this product have a niacinamide. So third, the guidelines and precautions of this product. So, in this part, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin gagamitin or ilalagay yung product na to sa ating skin. So, obviously, this product we will use it in our face. Ginagamit natin yung product na to para mabigyan ng proteksyon yung ating mukha sa mga UV lights or sa sikat ng araw. So, maglalagay tayo ng small amount of this product sa ating mukha like this. So, after natin maglagay ng small amount ng product na yon, ikakalat natin to sa mukha para ma-absorb ng ating balat yung product. We'll slowly spread it out to your skin or to your face hanggang sa ma-absorb ng balat atin yung product. So, yung kagandahan lang sa product na to, hindi mo mapipil na malagkit siya or sticky ganon. Like kahit pagpawisan ka, hindi ka makakapil na malagkit or nakaka-irritate or nakaka-bother. So last, the efficacy rate of this product. So, katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, I personally use this product kaya i-recommend ko to sa inyo. So, the rate of this product from 10 is 10 out of 10. So, sobrang effective niya talaga. It can lighten my dark spot. Also, it can prevent my acne to spread it out. So, if you want to use a sunscreen, you better use a Mediheal Sebum Balancing Sunscreen. So this is the end of my honest review product. Thank you.